Hello everyone, my name is Xuan and I am a second year MBA. My project in this class will cover the company Mobileye. First of all, an overview of the company. Mobileye is an Israeli company specializing in vision-based ADAS technologies. It was founded in 1999 and went through 5 rounds of venture funding before it went public on New York Stock Exchange in 2014. The company's stock is currently trading at $43.49 per share, implying a market cap of $9.53 billion. In 2016, Mobileye is expected to report a $350 million revenue with 186 million EBITDA or 53% EBITDA margin. Now let's take a look at Mobileye's products. The company offers advanced driver assistance systems, which basically provide level 2 autonomous driving features that make driving easier. The table on this slide summarizes the common ADAS features offered by Mobileye. For example, the adaptive cruise control feature can adjust the vehicle speed to maintain a safe following distance. The autonomous emergency braking feature can automatically apply brakes on the driver's behalf to avoid collision. And the lane keeping assistance feature can send torque to the steering system to keep the vehicle in its lane. Mobileye is both a software company and a semiconductor company. It not only develops algorithms to enable ADAS features based on image data taken by its camera sensor, but also designs its proprietary chips to run such algorithms. The picture on the right side of the slide is a block diagram for its newest chip. While Mobileye designs its own chip, it doesn't do the manufacturing. Instead, it outsources the manufacturing process to third parties. The bundling of software and chip offers a system-on-chip solution to the car OEMs. Vehicles installed with the system can identify objects and pedestrians on the road and their relative distances, which serve as the input to the ADAS features. Apart from integrating its systems directly with the OEMs, Mobileye also offers an aftermarket device that can retrofit any vehicle to provide collision warning capabilities. The company's business model involves two parts. On the one hand, it serves as a Tier 2 supplier to automotive OEMs. It sells its software and chips to Tier 1 suppliers, which in turn package and integrate them with the OEM vehicles. By the end of 2016, Mobileye has partnered with 27 OEMs with household known names such as BMW, Audi, GM, and etc. And it is estimated that the Mobileye system have been installed in approximately 15 million cars on the road. OEM sales accounts for about 77% of revenue in 2016. On the other hand, Mobileye sells its aftermarket devices to commercial fleets, rental car companies, and leasing companies. The aftermarket sales accounts for about 23% of revenue in 2016. Next, let's take a look at the company's technology. While there are different technology pathways to autonomous driving, Mobileye champions a standalone camera solution. In its own assessment of alternative technologies, namely multiple cameras, radar, LiDAR, and the combination of these, Mobileye believes that its standalone camera solution offers the best trade-off between performance, packaging, and price. Although different companies may have different views about which technology works the best in what situations, it is worth noting that Mobileye's deep expertise in computer vision does lead to superior performance of its camera-only solution in the current road conditions. And because of its early entrance in the market, Mobileye system is the most prevalent among production vehicles compared to all other alternatives. Although Mobileye dominates the ADAS market, it aspires to do more. The company has been actively planning for the future. It has multiple initiatives to expand on the value chain of autonomous driving. Besides its standalone camera solution, it is also developing systems with more cameras and with sensor fusion. Additionally, 3D mapping and driving policy are important product directions as well. While I have no time to explain these areas in detail in this video, more information is available in my memo. Not surprisingly, with ongoing R&D in areas mentioned in the previous slide, Mobileye has a clear roadmap towards higher level of autonomous driving. It aspires to achieve level 4 by the year of 2020. Now let's take a look at Mobileye's financials at a high level. In the past 5 years, it has been growing revenue at an astounding 88% CAGR, reaching $240 million in 2015. Meanwhile, it turned profitable in 2015, reporting a 34% EBITDA margin. Wall Street has projected that the company will not only maintain its high growth, but expand its profit margins at the same time. From 2015 to 2019, the company is expected to grow revenue at 46% CAGR and EBITDA at 70% CAGR. Mobileye's potential of high growth and high margin have been priced into its stock. It is trading at 59x trailing PE and 41x forward PE, which are much higher than its industry peers. Lastly, a word about the management team. The two founders are still running the company. Amnon is a professor in computer science at the Hebrew University of Jerusalem. His research focuses on computer vision and machine learning. Amnon serves as the CTO and chairman of the company. Ziv is a successful businessman who has served as CEO for 3 successful Israeli companies before Mobileye. Ziv takes the president and CEO roles at the company. Another point worth mentioning is that there are 6 PhDs in its 16-people management team, which reflects a technology and engineering-focused culture at the company. And my presentation will end there. I would appreciate any feedback for my work. Thank you.